To start replacing and installation of spark plug, use flat screwdriver to remove engine cover and turn it quarter counterclockwise. Pull up engine cover shown on video. And now let's start. Use 10mm socket to remove ignition coil nut. Each ignition coil has only one nut. To disconnect release connector from ignition coil, press clip on release connector plug to remove ignition coil. Encircled and pointing by arrow, that is where you press the clip release connector plug. Then pull out ignition coil. To remove all ignition coil, find out where you can easily pull them out. Don't force to pull them out. Look for no obstructions from damaging ignition coil. Use 16mm deep socket and extension bar to reach spark plug. Use also swivel joint socket if needed, or longer socket extension bar. Turn it counterclockwise to loosen spark plug. And now install new spark plug. Use your hand first to tighten spark plug before using ratchet or power tools. Use torque wrench to tighten spark plug. Torque spark plug about 16 foot-pounds. Stop if you hear a clicking sounds. Install ignition coil. Connect first release connector plug to ignition coil before fully insert ignition coil. You can hear a clicking sound if the release connector plug properly connected into ignition coil. Return ignition coil nut. Use 10mm socket and torque it about 9 foot-pounds. Don't torque too much, it will damage your ignition coil. To remove 3 spark plug at the other side are all the same from 3 at the front, but more complicated or tricky because of no too much room, and not visible from your eyes. You just grope it in your hand how to remove nuts, ignition coil, and spark plug. Torque of spark plug and nuts are all the same from the front. And now, before installing engine cover, remove rubber shown on video from engine cover shaft. Insert rubber on engine shown on video. Return engine cover. Finally tight it and turn it quarter clockwise shown on video, then you're done. Thank you.